process earns its final step. Every batch must now prove itself.
Consistency is locked before inspection.
Protein begins its journey in careful, controlled living systems. Every stage is monitored to ensure optimal growth conditions.
When maturity is reached, timing becomes critical. Precision guides the transition from growth to processing. This moment marks the shift from farming to production. Containment preserves quality from the very first transfer. Traceability follows every batch without exception.
Distance is short, but control remained absolute.
The production environment now takes over.
From here, the industrial process begins in full.
Behind these walls, biology meets industry. Scale and precision define the heart of production. Every input is measured before moving forward. Motion begins the transformation. Preparation is essential before any processing begins. Cleaning removes everything except what matters. Separation refines the raw input. Technology ensures uniformity at speed. Moisture is controlled before transformation. Stability is achieved through controlled heat. Heat locks in safety and consistency. Flow never stops in continuous production. Structure breaks down under controlled force. Transformation continues beyond solid form. Moisture is removed with precision. Time and temperature complete the conversion. Solid form gives way to usable structure. Particle size defines performance. Air and matter are precisely divided. The product now waits for automation.
Automation delivers consistency without pause. Precision travels in closed systems.
uniformity is engineered, not assumed. Safety checks never leave the line. Systems move as one. Final refinement ensures functional consistency. Even the smallest details are addressed. Verification is built directly into the line. Consistency is locked before inspection. Every batch must now prove itself. Quality is confirmed, not assumed.
Numbers tell the truth of the process.
Safety is verified beyond visibility.
Only approved product moves forward.
The process earns its final step. Production becomes a finished product. Order and efficiency define the final form.
Storage preserves value until demand calls.
And this is how modern factories produce larvae protein from start to finish. Efficiency drives the future of food production.